Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI.
I was on the hunt for some artificial flowers for an upcoming event, and I stumbled upon these 40 hybrid eucalyptus stems by ZeKonan. They're made up of 20 artificial silver dollar eucalyptus leaves and 20 artificial baby eucalyptus leaves. These realistic artificial leaf stems are a must have for my event. They're so detailed as well. They have lovely buds, vivid green leaves that you can easily remove, and unbreakable stems that can bend or twist to add a three-dimensional effect to your decoration. These flowers aren't just great for events, they can also look beautiful as room decoration, dining tables, coffee tables. Adding some greenery to any decor always makes it feel more inviting and peaceful. So you won't regret getting these hybrid eucalyptus stems from ZeKonan. They'll add a touch of nature to any space in your home or event.
And that's my point of view.